Just another day in paradise. So what do we got back here, guys? Is this a Candlewood suites being built? I think so. So the guys over here, actually a homeowner that we're gonna be outfitting his house, asked me to help him out with his business. It's not really fun for me, but I don't mind doing commercial from time to time. What we're going to be doing is distributed audio throughout the main common areas as well as the landings where the elevators are, and then we're also going to be doing a Control 4 system, integrating everything in with panelized lighting. It's going to be pretty cool. I'm going to show you where we are currently with this project as well as the plans to complete it. Check it out. All right, so the completion for this project is going to be in December, so we're nearing the end. There's also going to be security put in. You can see we got cat cabling here as well as here already ran. And oh, I got my shoes muddy. No. See, this is why I don't like this stuff. Anyways, we got our speaker wire throughout this main entry right here, guys. It's important to pre-wire stuff, makes life so much easier. So speaker wires here, we got speaker wires here, and this is the main entry, the lobby. And we got a TV that's gonna go on the wall right here, and we got cat and coax ran to it, and then again another TV right here. Back over here, we're going to be mounting a launch port on the wall with an iPad where he can use his Control 4 or a Control 4 panel, whatever, so that he can control, or not him necessarily, but his workers can control the lighting and all of the audio throughout the space. Now, let's go back here where there's going to be a meeting room. This space here, there's going to be speakers in the ceiling. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in this space. And then a TV on that wall. And a TV on this wall. Wiring is going to terminate right here for this one space. And we're going to put a slide rack here built into the cabinet. And panelized lighting on the wall right here and right here, making it extremely easy to operate. Right here is where the elevators are going to be, guys. Elevator 1, elevator 2, and speaker. Here's all the wiring for the system, and this is just for the first floor. There's cat as well as coax being ran to all of the locations, all of the rooms. We're going to have 105 LG TVs, and they're just going to be sitting on the table. It's going to be hooked up with coax as the main feed, and then these lines right here, these are being ran up to the remaining 3 floors. So it's 4 floors. We're going to have speakers at each landing to make it more enjoyable for the guests. Say there's like a game on or something, it's going to be going throughout the entire building. Should be pretty cool. One other thing that we're going to be doing in here is running cat cable throughout the entire property, and the cat cable is going to be used for WAPs, wireless access points. That way, no matter where the customer is or the resident, whoever's staying here, they have full Wi-Fi coverage. And also, it's going to help our Control 4 system operate at its peak, which we do aim to please here at Dreamedia. Well, that's an overview, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, because I'm going to be coming back to this project whenever everything is put in and show you guys exactly how it operates. If you're interested in us doing a commercial job for you, just give us a call, shoot us an email. We'll be happy to help you out. Until next time, guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.